Hey, so today I'll show you how to back up your notes in Google Keep for free in 2026. This is important so you never lose your notes even if you change phone or delete the app. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account. This is what keeps all your notes saved in the cloud. Next, turn on sync in your Google account settings. This ensures your Keep notes are automatically backed up. Now, open Google Keep on your browser. You can access all your notes at keep.google.com anytime. Yeah, go to Google Takeout to download a full backup of your Keep data. This gives you a copy of all your notes offline. Now, select Google Keep, then create Export. You'll get a zip file with all your notes inside. Yeah, save the downloaded file on your PC, Google Drive, or external storage. This keeps your backup safe. Now, for extra safety, you can copy important notes to Google Docs. This gives you another layer of backup. Yeah, make sure your notes are syncing across phone, tablet, and PC. This confirms your backup is always up to date. If you want to stay safe, repeat backups every few weeks. It prevents permanent data loss. So yeah, that's how you back up Google Keep Notes. Once you set sync and takeout, your data stays safe and protected. Thanks for watching.